to say this, not that. Instead of telling your child, don't talk to me like that, you better be respectful. Say, I will listen to you as soon as your voice becomes as calm and quiet as my voice. Instead of saying, stop screaming, stop if you want to have your lunch, say, I'll serve you lunch as soon as you are quiet and sitting in your chair. Don't say, I will not give you another snack. You aren't getting anything. Say, snack is served at 9:30. Eat as much as it can hold you until lunch. Don't say, share your toys. Stop taking his toys. Say, there's a special snack for the one who share their toys. Don't say, don't you dare come back here until you show respect. Instead say, you are free to join the game as soon as you can.